Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this unbox review Android 8.0 Oriole System Head Unit Special for Jeep Compass 27 to 2050 years. Okay, here is box. Let me unbox. Okay, you can check head unit with good condition. You can check this head unit, 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me introduce the head unit at first. Let me introduce the harness. Okay, you can check this special harness and compass decoder box. Compass decoder box. Okay, this is a special depth special plug connector. Okay, let me introduce the other. You can check this external microphone. This GPS antenna come with camera in. This two USB cable and external microphone. This is radio antenna. Okay. And this audio cable, video out 1 and video out 2 RC type. And this subwoofer. Okay. This is audio out cable. Front and rear, left and right. Okay. This is video input. And this is AUX input, left and right. Okay, let me introduce the head unit. Okay, this is driver agent. This is special head unit 2.1 inch IPS touchscreen. You can check. This is front panel. Okay. Let me check the back. You can check this radio antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, connectors, power cable, fuse, this is GPS. Okay. Let me fix it. Okay, let me connect the harness. Okay, power on, 12 voltage. The head unit will be start. Let me move. Okay, this is so big. Okay, this is the UI interface. Let me introduce it. You can check the UI and the settings. System. About motion, you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Let me back home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.